Hello children. Okay. In the last class children we have started a new lesson called as water is precious. In that chapter we have learned how we get the fresh water, what is the uses of water and what is the importance of water. So in today's class I will tell you what is the importance of water and how the people are struggling hard to get the water for their survival. So, see here children, here the water is getting wasted in our home, whereas we can see a barren dry land with empty pots. The grasses have become dry because there is no water. The land is very dry because there is no water. Okay, so the crow is thirsty, the dog is thirsty, the human beings are thirsty, all the animals and human beings are thirsty in the places where there is scarcity of water. You can see this old man is waiting for the water, but as there is a scarcity of water, he is not getting any water to drink. So, the water is very important children. We can understand by this image that they are eagerly waiting for the water, whereas in our home we can see the water is continuously getting wasted. Now a boy like you had entered the kitchen and he saw there is a wastage of water and he offed the tap. As he offed the tap, the water got saved, and here the people who were waiting for the water, they got the water which we have saved at the home. So water is very precious children, so don't waste it. If you find the water is getting wasted, please off the tap and save it. Thank you. This is how the water is important. Now we will understand what are the water facilities in other places like in cities, villages and in desert areas, how people are struggling hard to get water till their homes. This is how we are getting water till our kitchen through the taps. This is the facility of water in the village areas like Rajasthan. Desert area it is. People are starving hard. They are struggling hard to get the water from one place to another. They are fetching water from the well. They are carrying it to their homes. They are fetching water from the hand pumps. This is the facility of water in our village areas. Here the people are standing in a queue to fill the water. This is a desert area where the women are fetching water from the tanks, wells and they are carrying it to their home. So, so in this video we learned that how water is important, how the people are starving for the water, how they are working hard to get the water from the well, bore well and from lakes, rivers to till their home. So children, by this we understand God has given us everything till our home. Water is available till our home. We should be thankful to God and we should not waste the water at our home. So save the water children, don't waste it. Okay, so now next there is one more question. You might be thinking that water is everywhere on the earth like the sea. Have you seen the sea? Yes, you had seen the sea. Like Goa beach, have you visited? Yes, there is a lot of water, but it is a sea water and the sea water contains a large amount of salt. The water contains salt in it, so that water we cannot use it for drinking. Okay, so the only fresh water is available through the rain, which we get it from the rivers, lakes, and it is after getting filtered and it is supplied to our homes. So don't waste the water. C. This is how the method of separating the salt from the seawater. So today we will end up the class. Thank you. Have a nice day.